Today I'm doing an ordinary curtain, so I'm going to be stitching two sides, the bottom and the rod pocket at the top. I went ahead and cut the material. It's about 75 inches by 75 inches. This curtain is going to be used as a partition. Alright, so what I need is just my inch measure and some pins. I'm just going to be measuring and pinning the side, and then I'm going to go ahead and stitch it. So I turn under about a 1/4 inch first, and then I'm going to measure 1 inch. So I'm going to make the sides about 1 inch. So I'm going to measure and pin that in place. So I try to measure as accurately as possible. So you see I have 1 inch there. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pin that. Alright, so I'm going to go all the way down this side, and I'm going to measure and pin 1 inch. So remember, I turn over about a 1/4 inch first, and then I measure and I pin 1 inch. Alright, 1 inch. I'm going to go ahead and do both sides, and then I am going to stitch those sides. Then when I come back to do the bottom and the rod pocket at the top, I'll let you see that process. So for now, I'm just going to continue to measure and pin 1 inch. Alright, so here I am. I have completed the pinning, and now I am going to be stitching the side. So I'm going to stitch, and as I go along, I remove the pins. Right, so I have finished sewing both sides, and now I am going to measure and pin in place where the header is going to go. So I'm going to measure 3¼ inches, because I'm going to be putting in a 2-inch header. So I'm measuring 3¼ . Alright, so having pinned in place the top to show the broad pockets, I am now going to pin the bottom, and this is going to be a 1 inch as well. So I turn under again about a 1/4 inch. You can use a 1/2 inch too, and then I measure 1 inch, and then I am going to pin, and I'm going to do that all the way across. And when I am done with that, I am going to stitch, and then I will try to show you the finished product and how it hangs. Alright, here we are with the finished product, and I have run it on a curtain rod to show you what it looks like when it is done. Like I said, just a simple partition curtain. Alright, thanks for watching, and look out for others coming very soon.